So in this video, I'm going to show you how to limit the number of responses that your form will accept. So by default, Google Forms have no limit. Once you've published your form, it will keep on taking responses. But if you want to stop taking responses after you've received 100 or 1,000 or whatever, you can do that with this setting in the form creation sheet. So over in column X and Y, it says the max responses. You can specify how many you want to limit it to. If you do that, you will also have to make sure that over here in column C, where it says update on form submit, you select that, set that to yes, and then it will get updated after every form submission. And after you've reached your limit, it will close the form and stop accepting responses.